Tourism Statistics Officer at the Department of Visual Art Contest, poster, and promotional videos. On and following, gentlemen, please give it up for Miss Consolacion Joy Bolan. And our third Mas Ride Contest. Grabe talagang nag-effort po ang ating... Isa-isa lang po para meron po kayong moment together with our city mayor and you will really feel the spotlight na talagang context po ang inyong sinalihan. Thank you so much for participating. George Mosqueda, Jake Abdullah Gialan, Francis Mag, Nasser A. Gialan, Mahmudin M. Limbog, Hyman B. Sam, Julius F. Pandoy. Salamat po sa inyo. Your participation really made a difference to the city of Goodwill dahil marami pong mga napaka-creative natin ng mga drivers ang ating makikita driving by the nights here in the city of Goodwill, Tacurong City. Madamugit na salamat. It only shows how united the people of Tacurong are. Madamugit salamat sa inyong pagsali. Next level, joining the competition of our Inugunay Festival's Christmas Ride competition. And right after our lap forward. Okay, forward! Compress! Samahan po natin ang ating city mayor.